In this video, I will show you how to create a professional restaurant website within 15 minutes. We will create our restaurant website in just 4 simple steps. So let's get started with the step number 1, and that is set up web hosting and domain. I use Hostinger for my own websites as well as for my clients' websites because Hostinger is really affordable, reliable and super beginner friendly. To get an additional discount on Hostinger, make sure to sign up using this link or scroll down to the video description and click on the very first link. When you click on that link, you will land on this page here. Now from here, click on claim deal. Now here we have 3 different pricing options. If you want to create an e-commerce website or you want to use the Hostinger AI tools, then you will have to go for the business or the higher plan. But if you want to create a simple website, then you can go with the premium plan. For this tutorial, I will go with the business plan. Now from here, we just need to select the time period for our web hosting. So if I click on this drop down, here we have 4 options: 1 month, 12 month, 24 months and 48 months. You need a 12 months plan or higher to get a free domain, but for the absolute best value, I will recommend you to go for the 48 months. If you go for 48 months, it will cost you 3.99 per month, but if you go for 12 months, it will cost you 4.99 per month. And for 24 months, it will cost you 4.49 per month. So for the absolute best value, I will recommend you to go for the 48 months. After that, you can apply my coupon code to get some extra discount. And once you are done, just click on continue from here. Now we need to register our Hostinger account. We can go with Google, GitHub, or we can use email password to create our Hostinger account. So I have entered my email and password here, and now I am going to click on register. Now here we need to add our billing address and then click on continue. Now here you will see the payment methods based on your region. I will select the card option from here. Now after adding our card details, I will simply click on submit payment. Now click on get started from here. From here I will click on myself or business and then click on next. Now again we will select create a website and then click on next. Now select website builder from here and then click on next. So now we will search for our domain name. As we have selected the 48 months plan, so we have one free domain name available. So I will search for my domain name here, and here you can see that it's available and also it's free. So I will select my domain name and then click on next. And now I will enter my personal information and then click on finish registration. So now let's see how to create our website with Hostinger AI website builder. So here we have 2 options. You can use the Hostinger AI website builder or you can use the pre-made templates. Just click on pre-made templates from here. Now from the categories, click on this drop down menu and select restaurants from here. And here you will see different types of restaurant templates. You can choose a one that you want. If you want to choose any template from here, just hover over it and then click on select template, and you will be redirected to the Hostinger website builder, and from there you can easily customize this template. But for this tutorial, we will use the Hostinger AI website builder. So I will click on try AI website builder from here. So now we will give a prompt to our Hostinger AI website builder. You can write a prompt by yourself, or you can also use ChatGPT or Claude to write your prompt. I have used the ChatGPT, so I will copy this prompt from here, go back to Hostinger AI website builder, and then I will paste my prompt here. Now I will click on this enter button from here. And Hostinger AI website builder is now generating our website. And as you can see that Hostinger AI has generated a website for us, and I really like the design because it is very impressive in the first try. So everything is according to our prompt that we have given to the Hostinger AI agent. If you like the design that Hostinger AI website builder has created for you, just click on continue from here. If not, click on edit idea from here. Add your new prompt and then click on this enter button, and then hosting a AI website builder will create a new website for you. So I really like this design. So I am going to close it from here and then click on continue from here. So right now we are in the hosting a website builder, and now from here we can easily customize our website. We can customize each and every part of our website from here. Let's say we want to delete anything, we can easily do it from here. We want to change any text, image or button, we can do it from here. So it is very easy to customize your website with the help of hosting a website builder. Now let's customize our website practically. So let's start with the header. So click on header and then click on edit header. At first let's see how to change this logo. So click on logo from here. So here is our logo. Now to change the logo, click on replace image from here. Click on upload files. Select the logo from your computer. Click on open. Now click on select from here. So as you can see that our logo is now added. So right now our logo is way bigger. So I will decrease the size of logo from here. So I will set it to around 100 pixels. And as you can see that now it's looking good. After that we have the header layout. Just click on it. And now from here you can change the header layout. After changing the header layout from here you can easily manage the spacing. After that we have elements. You can hide or show logo from here. Here we have the social icons option. You can turn it on or off from here. After that we have the button option and shopping cart option. After that we have the header style. You can easily change the background color of your header from here. And also you can make your header transparent header. And from here you can change the header text. And then from here you can change the header text color. And if you want to delete any page from the header, just click on pages from the left menu. And here you will see all the pages. To delete any page, just click on this 3 dots button and then click on delete and your page will be deleted. To change the page position, you can do it from here. So we are done with the header. Now let's see how to customize our hero section. So at first we will change this heading text. Just double click on it or select the heading and then click on edit text from here. So now you can write your heading manually or you can paste your heading here. So if you want to write it manually, you can easily write it here. But I will paste my heading here. So I will select this heading. I will right click on it and then click on paste. So as you can see that our heading is now added. So right now the size of our heading is way bigger. So I will select the heading and then change the size to around 80. So as you can see that our heading is now looking good. If you want to change this text, just double click on it and then you can change it from here. After that we have this text and this button. At first I will move this button a little bit down. So I will move this text section up and I will also decrease the section height. So right now our hero section is looking good. To change this text, just double click on it and now from here you can change this text. You can change the text color from here. You can change the text style from here. You can change the font from here. You can change the font size from here. You can turn it to bold, italic, underline or strike through from here. You can add a link from here. You can do the alignment from here. And if you click on this 3 dots button, here we have the more options like line height, background color, etc. So these are all the text settings. So if you click on this text, click on edit text, here you will see the same text settings. So if you scroll down to the bottom, just select this text from here, click on edit text, here you will see the same settings. So if you are able to edit one heading on your hosting a AI website builder, you will be able to edit all the headings on your website. So it is very simple. So after that we have this button, just click on this button, click on edit button from here. At first we have the button text, you can change it from here. Then we have the link, you can link it to section, web address, etc. After that we have the button style. You can change the button style from here. Here we have the fill color, text color. Here we have the text size and font size. You can do it from here. You can increase or decrease the corner radius from here. And if you want to add a border width, you can add it from here. After that we have the hover settings. You can change the hover settings from here. Then we have the animation. You can add an animation from here. After that we have this image. To change this image, just click on it and then click on edit image. Now click on replace image. Now you can upload an image from your computer or select free images from here. Now search for your keyword. And here you will see a lot of free images that you can use on your website. For the images, you can use these websites to find good reality free images. Here we have the pixels and then we have the pixabay. Just search for your keyword here and you will see a lot of free images related to your keyword. To upload your image from your computer, click on upload files, select the image, click on open. Now click on select from here. And as you can see that our image is now changed. You can increase or decrease the size of your image very easily. Just hold it from the corners and then you can increase or decrease it very easily. To change the background of this section, just select the section and then click on edit section from here. Now we have three types of background. At first we have color, then we have image and then we have video. Right now color is selected. If you want to change it to image background, just select image from here. Click on add image, click on upload files. I will select the image from my computer and then click on open. Now click on select and here we will see the image background. So if your text buttons or this image is not visible, the best way is that you can add an overlay opacity on this image. So I will add around 80%. So as you can see that now we have a nice image in the background and also our foreground elements are visible. After that you can also add a video in the background as well. Just select the video and as you can see that right now video is selected and our background is now changed. You can click on replace video from here. Now you can search for your keyword and then select a video. Now click on select item and as you can see that now we have added a stake video in the background. And for the opacity I will set it to around 90%. So right now we have a nice stake video in the background. So now I believe you will be edit your whole website very easily because we have learned almost everything. So if you want to edit this heading, just select it, click on edit heading and then you can do it from here. If you want to replace this image, just select the image, click on edit image, click on replace image and then you can easily replace this image. So everything is about the same. If you want to change this heading, just select it, click on edit heading and then you can change it from here. If you want to change this button, just select it and then click on edit button and then you can change it from here. So everything is the same and now I believe you will be edit the whole website very easily. Now let's see how to customize other pages. If you want to customize the other pages like the menu, our story, diner reviews, just click on pages from the left menu. Just select the page from here. And as you can see that our page will be selected and here we have the menu. If you want to customize any other page, just select the page from here and our page will be selected. Now if you want to change this heading, just select the heading, click on edit heading from here and then you can change the heading from here and then you can change the heading styles from here. To change the image, select the image, then you can change it from here. You can easily customize these buttons as well. Now let's configure a contact us page on our website and also contact form. So from the left menu, click on pages. We will select reservations and contact. And here is our contact page. So here we have the heading. Then we have this image. We can easily change this from here. And then we have this form. To configure this form from here, just select the form, click on edit form. At first we have the form name. What is the name of this form? We can easily change it from here. After that we have the email where we will receive all the submissions. You can easily add a submission email here. Then we have the submissions list. Just click on view submission list from here and you will see all the submissions. After that we have the form fields. Just select it from here and here we have all the fields like name, email, phone and date. If you want to delete any field from here, just click on this drop down and then click on remove field from here and your field will be deleted. To add a new field, from the top click on add new field button. Now here we have different choices, short answer, paragraph, single choice or multiple choice. You can select the form field and it will be added here. Now here you will see the field, just click on this drop down and then you can customize the field according to your own choice. As you can see that I have customized this field according to my own choice. I can add a new option here and also I can delete an option from here. And also I can set this field to required or not from here. After that we have the button option. You can change the button text from here. You can change the button position from here and also you can change the button styles from here. After that we have the form styles. You can change the fill color. You can customize the style of your form fields from here very easily. Right now form fields are selected. You can select submit button and then you can change the style from here. After that we have the animation. You can add an animation if you want. After that we have this map option for the location. Just select it and then click on edit map. Now here you need to add your address and your map will be selected and your restaurant location will be shown here. I believe we are done with all the sections and pages. Let's see how to customize our footer. Just scroll down to the bottom and here we have our footer. Just select it, click on edit section. Now you can change the background of your footer from here. You can also change the layout from here. And if you want to customize the footer elements, then you can do it from here. Just select any element, click on edit element and then you can change it from here. If you want to change this menu, just select it, click on edit text and then you can change it from here. So once you are done doing all the settings for your website, from the top just click on go live. And as you can see that right now hosting a website builder is publishing our website. So our website is now published. Click on view site from here. And this is the website that we have just created with hosting a AI website builder within minutes. So thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.